Putting some fans on today. A little nice, easy work. On this 600 right here. So we change the spark plug. Change the oil probably. Clean the air filter. Put everything back together. And get some new fans today. Y'all stay tuned. We been working. And y'all see it. Turn it all the way down.
You see what I'm saying?
See, you got the fan. About to change this out now. Coming along though.
What you doing?
I'm taking that brake off.
And that connects to what?
The headlight.
Okay.
It's almost off. Alright, finally got it off now.
So this the what, old one, right?
That's the old one right there.
And the new one is where? Right here.
Yep.
And that's gonna go back in.
Go back right here. Connect. Then we put this on right here.
Bad. Hey.
This headlight is seeing y'all. Yeah.
See all of this ugly shit.
Tell them a little bit about it.
So my man is replacing this bracket right here. Actually, this is the new bracket that just been placed on. So what he did is take the old one off because this part right here was chiseled down to make what racing fairings fit. So what he did is take that off, the old one, just right there, that was chiseled down to fit racing fairings, which is no good now, and to put this brand new one on that is going on a brand new kit. So we can have street legal lights, and we in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Then tomorrow in spark plug, it's time for some news. As you can tell, they burnt out down there. So I'm gonna put some new spark plugs in there. Clean the air filter out.
Get rid of that sputter.
And then put the fans on. And we're gonna see how she look. But stay tuned, guys.
All right. So what you got going now?
Finna hook the gauge close to back up now.
Okay. Old one. See where they chiseled that down. Whereas it's supposed to be like this. Okay, now this the one that I had, I think. Shining out. So what you got? So what we finna do now?
We gonna finish this up right here. And then tomorrow we're gonna come back and do the rest.
All right.
But that ain't gonna take much longer. Just a little bit more tweaking.
All right.
Had to clean the air filter. That's what I use right there. Still a little wet, but it's gonna be dry though. Back on though. Now she gonna breathe, y'all. Trying to tell you.
So that's on there now, right?
Go get y'all some.
Yep, and sponsor this man. Sponsor this man for making y'all bump.
Thank you, y'all.
This will be going on there tomorrow. Brand new headlight, the front end of the fairings. There's a visual of it. Not cute right now, but it will be.
Oh yeah, showing how the miles it got on it.
Practically new. Practically new, everyone. And she sparks right up. We can't show y'all right now is because we don't have the spark plug, the new spark plugs in there. But stay tuned till tomorrow.
On the bike. Maybe they got excuse me.
I'll call you up in about 30 minutes. I'm putting something together on the motorcycle.
I'm looking real. Gotta hit the barbershop.
About an hour.
But yeah, back with it. Show y'all when I'm doing to it. Day 2. It's coming along, y'all.
Yeah, I got you.
We already got the first 2 spark plugs changed that. Forgot to show you. Finna take this one out right here. See how bad that is?
And it's supposed to look like what?
Show you this new one. What did I do with my little wrench?
Took off some wood.
Finna get this last spark plug out of here.
Vision.
That bitch. Come on, that side.
It takes a little muscle sometimes. See, I just told this man to come over here in the first place.
Air filter box.
Okay, the air filter box sits on top of the spark plug, which is up underneath there. That way nobody is, confused where this comes from. A little elbow grease sometimes is needed.
So all you need.
Oh, this footage right here is crazy.
With this one right here, this
Is
jig
this the one I switched up?
on the bottom, they got screws in it, holding nails in. So as you doing it and it's working on bikes, make sure you screw everything back together how it came and plug everything back up.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't.
And that right there is
Bike
on
is-
top of the spark.
So putting the air box back, gotta hook all the hose
Right.
back to the appropriate spot.
Okay.
Slide. So you just take a little hand and hold it. They get on there right. Then got the other clamps on the other side.
What's this right here too? To this right here, correct?
Yep. Finna put that back.
Always be very, very, very close monitoring on the stuff that you pull from whatever you do while this tank is open, because one mishap could cause a few detrimentals. So even if you need to record yourself or write down what you're taking apart.
About to get a start, y'all. Just install spark plugs. See how she sang.
Always listen for that. That's a good signal. All right, Tate, what you got going? All right, we on steering.
Got it all put back together, guys.
Man, I may need you to follow me up the street, though. I was gonna put some gas in this. No gas. I know what I do. I know just what I'm doing.
She back together.
I know just what I'm doing. I'll regret it. So that's the other side.
Start it up for him, let him hear.
Off the grip, off the grip. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all hear this right here. You hear that right there? That's letting you know that that fuel pumping, that line is on point. And then I'm gonna give it to you.